Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix Hulu app buffering. Alright, let's begin. First, check your internet connection. Go to Settings Network on your TV and make sure the signal is strong. You can test it by opening another streaming app like Netflix or YouTube to confirm stability. Next, make sure your TV software is up to date. Go to Settings to check Software Update and install any available updates to ensure all apps run smoothly. After that, restart your TV. Either unplug it for 30 seconds or use the Restart option in the Settings menu. This refreshes the system and can fix minor glitches that cause Hulu to buffer. Then, clear Hulu's cache and data, go to Settings Applications Manage, Installed Applications Hulu, then tap Clear Cache to remove temporary files that may slow down the app. If it still buffers, uninstall Hulu and reinstall the latest version. So that's basically how you can fix Hulu app buffering. That's it for this video. Thanks.